Alright guys, in this video we're gonna talk about key levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're gonna have a small look at the dollar index and at which levels I'm going to be ultra bullish again. Enjoy. As always guys, please leave a like, comment below, subscribe, and let me know what videos you want up next, and check out my links in the description below. Enjoy. Alright, so Bitcoin, what happened? We had a weekly close. We cleared some important local resistances, and we're currently pumping higher, currently at 24,226. Generally, it's looking good. We're still in the relief rally we talked about, and right now it's important to see if we can break some key levels to move higher to the upside. Sooner or later, as I said before in other videos, we have to, or we should, test the bull market support band as resistance and go from there. So sooner or later, either if it's now or in a couple months, we should and will break these levels, most probably, and we go higher. Right now, on the weekly, we are creating clearly higher lows, which is fine. And currently, I would be looking at the level of 24,700. Once we close a weekly candle above this area, I would feel confident that we are going to test the bull market support band as resistance. If we go into lower time frames, the 4-hour, you clearly can see we have been there before, okay, on the 3rd of July, and we got rejected. So at 24,700 is a key area to look at to break to the upside. Once we break to the upside, there is no real resistance. The real resistance comes in at this consolidation area here. I think we should land in this region, which would be in confluence of the bull market support band. So right now things are looking good. Bitcoin is pumping higher. The possibility of another rejection is still there. So is it time to open up longs? No, it's not. It would have been time to open up longs at lower levels. So right now it's good to sit at the sidelines, DCA in if you want to, and watch the price movement. Okay, if we look at the dollar, it's also a good sign for Bitcoin. Usually when the dollar tops, Bitcoin moves higher. Usually when the dollar is moving higher, Bitcoin is either sideways or going down. Clear correlation here. So, and clearly we had a local top for the dollar on the 14th of July, and this was the time where Bitcoin started to slowly move back higher. All it means is that people are slowly moving into risk on assets again. But again, in my opinion, it's too early to be ultra bullish yet. It's just a relief rally we're having. And it's important to keep an eye on the charts to see if we break major resistance levels and move up into the higher consolidation areas here. All right, if we look at ETH was performing like an absolute beast the last couple of weeks. Obviously, people are front running the merge in expectation that the merge will actually happen this time. So we're a couple months out from that if it really happens, because the merge has been in talks for years now. However, if you look at ETH, we had a nice green weekly close. We cleared some resistance levels, and currently we opened a beautiful weekly candle, and we're pumping up higher. Important levels to watch here is around 1,800. Once we have a clear weekly close above those levels, we should move into the next bracket. Also, if you look in the past, from 2021, the 1,700 to 1,800 level is a key level to watch. Right now we're above it, but we just opened the weekly candle. Interesting fact here, ETH is only around 10%, let's say, away from its own bull market support band, where Bitcoin is away 17-18% from the bull market support band. So interesting here to see ETH lead the way. However, for me personally, I'm currently not buying anymore. I was buying at lower levels. Right now, I'm sitting on the sidelines because my hunch is that it is a buy the rumor and sell the news type of event. Once the merge finally happens, I think there's a high possibility there will be a massive sell-off for ETH. Alright guys, long story short, we still are in the anticipated relief rally we were talking about. As of now, everything is textbook market cycle, Bitcoin market cycle theory. We went to the 50-week, 100, held the 200-week as support, and usually we have a relief rally from there, which we are currently in one. The Fed is having a summer break. The dollar had some sort of local top, which are all good signs for Bitcoin or for risk-on assets to breathe a little bit and move up higher. I wouldn't be super bullish until we close a weekly or even a monthly candle above the bull market support band, and then we go from there. As of the short term, I would watch the levels I was talking about earlier, key levels to break and key levels to hold as support in the future. As of now, most important thing, don't get wrecked.